We also provide you with civil and trial defense. If you or your spouse are ever named in a civil suit, you're going to have access to legal representation to help you navigate through that stressful situation. IRS audit assistance in the event that the tax return that you filed for that year, for this year is not this year, last year is called into question, then you're going to have access to that being covered as well. So whatever you filed for this year, which is all that you did from last year, we're going to help you navigate through that. Uncontested minor child adoption, name change, civil annulment, separation, or divorce, as well as prenuptial and postnuptial preparation. Those two areas kick in 180 days after you've had the service. Now, you're not going to have to pay the attorney fee, but you may have to pay filing fees. I'd rather pay filing fees any day than to have to pay the attorney's hourly rate. On top of that, you have 27 emergency access. Listen, everything does not always happen 9 to 5. Sometimes it's 9 o'clock at night to 5 o'clock in the morning, somewhere thereafter or in between. You're going to be able to tap the app on your phone, and now you have access to legal representation to help you navigate through that stressful situation. That is so powerful in itself. Online notarization is available, as well as e-signature. Now, 80% of why you're going to need our services is going to be inclusive with your membership. So that means that the other 20%, you're going to get a 25% preferred member discount off of the provider law firm's standard hourly rate. That is huge in itself, because here's what that means. Our members will never have to pay full price to have access to legal representation when they need it. So you're probably thinking, well, what kind of things would that include? Well, what if it's something that happened before you signed up for the service? Will we help you? Yes. What if it is alcohol or drug related? Will we help you? Absolutely. Again, our members never have to pay full price.